Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is February 5th. We're coming up on the end of the first week of February, but we've got the grains kind of mixed today. Corn down about a penny, wheat down a penny, and then beans about a penny higher. So not a lot of movement this morning, but a lot of eyes watching some of these outside markets. The dollar, strong recovery right now, up more than 70 cents, but well, a couple days ago we were down $1.60 for the dollar, and then now, yesterday we were sharply lower again. So looking at that, we are finding a little recovery, maybe some short covering for the dollar to end the week. But are we going to find some of these other markets start to sell off or back off because of the stronger dollar again? We see the rally that we had for crude oil, and a lot of that has been tied to the weaker dollar. So now that the dollar is strong, are we going to find the energy markets back off? And if we do, will that give a sense of negative feelings around commodities again? But we have to watch that this morning. A lot of the movement is going to be tied to these outside markets, just because there's not a lot of news right now for the grains. So there's not a lot that we got to hang on to. Looking at South American weather, really overall, when you look at the expectations for their crop, we're sitting really kind of neutral. And so there's not a big story there as of yet that could give us either strength or weakness depending upon that news. There's just nothing there. So, but continue watching those stories. It is a time where we need to pay attention to them. But right now, nothing this morning. We did have a jobs report out this morning, and January payroll numbers, they did come in below expectations. They were expecting to see 190,000 jobs added, came in at 151,000. So below expectations, still increasing jobs, but certainly not at the pace. So we'll have to see what happens as we open up the grain markets, and well, what are we going to follow today? So as of right now, as I mentioned, the dollar is up more than 70 cents. Crude oil is down just a little bit. You got the stock market down just 30 points right now, so not a lot of movement yet. Cattle down 50 cents out of the gates this morning. Box beef coming in a little bit higher, 46 cents higher for choice, 46 higher in select. Still here in bids, 138 in Texas. I don't have any trades for you guys as of yet. The last few weeks, we've seen late trade on Friday. And so once the market closes, they seem to make some trades here late in the session. Are we going to see that? The market right now is looking for about a 140 trade this week. So anything less than that probably will be disappointing for cattle. But the snowstorm, guys are getting shoveled out, and that we can put that to rest at this point. So where is cash going to trade? Cash is king. Hog market down a little bit. We're down. Cutout values dropping about 71 cents again. You got hogs down about 20 cents to start the morning. But overall, we should be in a time frame right now where we do need to be a little concerned on the seasonals of hogs. Typically, we do end up breaking going through the month of February and into March. So we've had a strong rally for hogs. We need to get some positive news to keep that strength. Otherwise, we may end up seeing a little bit of a downturn here in the short term. So careful with getting on the long side of hogs at this point. But as I mentioned, some of these outside markets, stock market down a little bit. The dollar up more than 70 cents right now. You got crude oil breaking back only about 30. So keep an eye on that. That's going to affect a lot of markets today. So give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you again on Monday. Take care.